Hey, it's Steve. There really is a villain in multiple sclerosis. I know it, and you know it. We feel it. But what if that villain is something so common it's been here all along and we just don't see it? I remember a time when eating would drain my energy. I couldn't see through my pain. The villain was hidden by so many different symptoms. I couldn't feel it, but I wasn't stuck. And you aren't either. We can do more than just survive. We can recover. We can thrive. And best of all, our lives can be restored to the time before MS. The villain is inflammation, specifically the kind that food creates. It's messed up, I know, but it is what it is. So let's be honest. What works for others doesn't work for MS. The part of the immune system that damaged my brain normally protects from foodborne illness. So don't get hung up on the type of food. Good food, bad food, junk food, healthy food, it all creates inflammation. And that inflammation ends up destroying our lives. All my life I've been told to eat 3 times a day. But really? 3 is the magic number? Is that how our ancient ancestors lived? How many places were around 100,000 years ago offering around-the-clock dining? So here's how to fight back. I make it easy for myself. I eat the same food in the same amounts every day. Call it boring. I know, that's fine. I'm boring. But now more than ever, I love my boring self. Start by eating in an 8-hour window. Once you're comfortable with that, narrow it to a 6-hour window. Then 4, then 2, then finally just one big meal. Now, don't eat fewer calories, just eat them quicker. I wake up every morning and eat my 2,300 calories at once. In my experience, the fatigue is a little overwhelming at first, but it goes away with time. How I see food has changed, and now I never get hungry or even think about food until the next morning, and I love that. What I love even more is that my MS has stopped. And I don't have to wonder if it has or hasn't. My MRI shows it. I feel it. And it feels glorious.